In this video, I will show you how to manage your checkout settings in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my Store Manager dashboard, and to manage your checkout settings, click on Store Settings, then click on Checkout. First, you can edit your checkout policies to require agreeing on the terms and conditions and or privacy policy. All you need to do is to get your privacy or your legal pages, links, and paste them here. If you don't have legal pages on your Hostinger website and you want to create them, it's very simple. Just go to your website editor, go to Pages and Navigation, click on Create Page. From this left side menu, click on Select Privacy Policy. As you can see, you fill in your company name, for example, Benz Store, then click on Add Page. As you can see, already privacy policy page is added to your website. Just click on Update Website. Same thing with the Terms and Conditions page. Click on Add Page, then select Terms and Conditions and fill in your company name and information and click on Add Page. After, I will not update my website because I already have these two pages on my website. To get your legal pages link, click on this little circle next to your legal page and hit page URL. And this is your page URL. Add it to your domain name, and this is your privacy policy page link. Same thing with the terms and condition. It's weird. My terms and conditions page have a best hiking shoes link, but it's okay. This is due to the videos I record or the tutorials I record. Now you can also set custom options to require a phone number at checkout. You can also add a custom field to the checkout, for example, weight, for example, I don't know. And you can make this custom field mandatory. You can also select your checkout language from this list. After that, click on Save. And let's see this changes in live. This is my store page. Let's add this product to the bag. Click on Checkout. Go with regular shipping. As you can see, the checkout page asked me for my phone number and also weight. My phone number is 0000 and my height is 76 pounds or kilos, I don't know. The checkout also required me to agree on the terms and conditions and privacy policy page. Let's not select this option and try to place an order. As you can see, I can't place my order without agreeing on these legal pages. And this is how to manage your checkout settings in Hostinger website.